Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site. Today we will be presenting how to insert additional graphics or clip art into your funeral program template via our easy-to-use online editor. In this demonstration, we'll be using our Blooms design and opening up the template with our Try Before You Buy link. As you see in the trial, the template has a demo watermark on each page. This watermark will not be present when you purchase the template. You can insert any additional clip art or graphics into any of our online funeral program templates. To do so, click on the left images icon on the left navigation. Click on the drag files here and navigate over to the clip art or image on your computer. Click once on your image and select Open. This will begin the upload of your selected image. Once uploaded, the thumbnail will appear within the window. Click once on it to insert it into your template. It may appear larger than desired. If so, click and drag any of the corner little boxes to the desired size. Then move it into place. Be sure your image is a JPEG or PNG file in order for the online editor to recognize the proper file type. This design and many more are available only at the-funeral-program-site.com.